Greetings everyone, bring another video for OTC financial markets. We are going to use an indicator called envelopes. I have used an indicator, it's not a strategy, but we're going to repeat that since it's very similar to the Bollinger Bands. And it's good for making decisions both upwards and downwards, alright? We're going to explain that, what I'm about, and since in the entered upside right here. Okay? So I'm going to explain that. I'm using 15 seconds on time frame in financial paired markets. See that financial is didn't have it to see. All right, that's open market. Simple. Let's go to the configuration. Okay, 15 seconds. Right here, just select envelopes. All right, we're gonna use with that 20 on 002 EMA, and that's closed for source. Don't forget it, and the color is up to you. If you want to use the same, if not, okay. All right. 1 minute with 15 on time frame. Okay, but it would go to time 1 minute with expiration for 3 or 4 minutes. So it depends a lot on the chart that you observe it. Okay. So look at that, $140 of that. We just got our first win on this one using that. As you can see, that's very, very similar, guys. That's pretty good. All right. Okay, so whether is up or down, that's how simple this strategy is. All right, I already have the first win. Right here, you can see that. We're going to look for the second entry. We are going to the 3 simple ones, and that is for this video. When I have the second entry, I'll explain that. All right, let's wait for this. So, but in the macro, as you can see there, it's the downward moment. The price here is different. Why? Why that's different? Okay, just opening that. I marked that area. That's it. Is that average? Okay, it's coincidence. Precisely with this support resistance, we see that the maximum price returns here. So that's it. It's fall here, but it's never break out here with the candle. It's almost indicated. To me, that price was not going to fall, and in the next candle, what it does, it's fall strongly. I'm there with rating that. See this figure that the extra 15 seconds give me the or none. That's it. Okay. I have the hands rated 4 to 5 seconds at 3 candles. Okay, and look at this, almost there. 10 seconds remaining for this is 4 candle effective. That's pretty good. All right. So let's go 3, 2, 1. Yeah, another position again, guys. Second of success is the average envelope coincidence with the resistance support zone financial markets. It's giving me more strength because it would no longer be analysis to say that. Is that average? I enter in the down.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Another analysis being given the price actions happen. That is none. Look, the breakout of the support resistance zone is giving me this trend analysis on this. If I add if Fibonacci and others, and it's telling me that's also true, there would be 3 confirmations. Of course, here I only use 1 or 2 at most. Okay, be careful of that. If you want the task to be stronger, most effective sense, you could add indicators you want, but it would be in a personal level. But in my case, it doesn't need to go up here because here it didn't confirm that for me. I'll wait and laughed with the movement. All right, and look for this one, and that's pretty good. I have an upside here. You can see that GBP see that, and it's just because it has something different from the previous one. You see that trend is up the ass, it's going wow, it's going downward, right? But it's kind of range. You see that the candlesticks and here above the average. I see the envelope. I see another reject one. I enter that upside. The bad thing is that the trend you see there is strongly bearish. You see that? That's clear for you. So there may be an entry in the moment that isn't, but nothing's happened. All right. Something's wild in erroneous operation. So let's see why, right? Above the average is not given to me because perhaps it's 10 seconds right now. I would be trading against the trend and maybe nothing happens. I assume loss on this one. Oh man. All right. I lost sec one and not all the strategy is going to be one. The third one, sorry. Doesn't go to one. Down.
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in this video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Because I see here rejecting to the upside. I see that's return. Here, expect even more. I see rejecting here to the upside. I conclude the session, and here leave the upside would be support and something else. But well, I raise my counts slightly. I gain 2 position, lost 1. Okay, more than the all this video for explanation to this. Hold this down, forget it, like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave your opinion in the comments. It's very similar to the Bollinger Bands. You can make it different. If for instance the comparison to see that different is from your part, see your upcoming video. Right, so I invite you to the broadcast every day and have a half day, guys. Wish you good profits, good operations, and see you. Bye.